Asimtanam lungo bumama kambelal abuya tingo wam. Asingo wam. Back in the years, I wrote a song that says Asing Mdanamlo, and I like it was few months after my, and I wrote it long time.
When we keep a man.
Why would I sing Mdanamlo when I
Kalaripusa, re batla go tsena go pala khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo tlhamba kuni na botisa Kalaripusa, re batla go tsena go pala khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo tlhamba kuni na botisa.
Hello, hi guys, it's Bundenge se re buile hape. Come to podcast. Re dumbetse hape hopola hore o itlisetsa ke Sly J Next Multimedia where quality meets creativity. Go boditse hore ke tlo go tlisetsa bona one by one. Bona o actor, o musician, o rekisa mazambane, o rekisa diaparo, everyone ba tlo dumbela iso. Ka tseno ke tshore ane out fan me ke motho o dlala ka mic yo. Ka mo TikTok ka mo kera shapile di live tsa hae mona o ro checka batho ba tletseng mola mona o tla di voice tse sane fela bo sesi ba tsena moyeng bo sesi na go ngo ba bina kore bona ba mejome. How are you?
I'm good, Sbuda man. How are you?
No, I'm grand man. Ba jalo ukuthi usine ubani mngani wami?
No. Alaman bulise kuSbu. Thank you so much for inviting me. Usine igama, sinethemba igama.
Bengifuna khona net daso.
Yes,
sinethemba. Lo sine ubani lo.
Yes.
Ngifuna lephelele. Sinethemba.
Sinethemba.
Okay.
Yeah, but usinethemba lo ukhule music. So what happened is that, I remember starting from ukhula kwam, I used to play snare. I loved snare. So there was one guy in Jawa time, and when I asked him, man, I said, snare. So if most of the time I would go to the studio, I would really focus on how the snare sounds and, how can I turn it into different ways and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's how I got the name Snare. You understand? So originally, I'm from Eastern Cape. And luckily, ngokuhamba nokukhula nokuthini, I ended up being in Pretoria. So, yeah, Snare nje ngumuntu nje ndikhulele ecaweni.
Yeah.
Singing, playing piano, until I found myself because it was long since the time of Afropop and other music.
Yes.
This is but it was not easy for me because it's not easy to drop in and just sing other music until you grow and be a man and make your own choices. And then you start doing your own things.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Because the combination.
Yeah.
How it tlhalosa no. Hore snare, no rata snare.
Yes.
Lo rusutlwa la bya mo pineng and lebitso la hao originally ke Sinethemba.
Yes.
So lebitso la o vela lona ka bona le na le snare and you fell in love with snare.
Snare.
Yeah, wena. Unga shadu snare. If you're not yet married, o kra le bana o kra mosadi o nyala mosadi re kra lebitso la lena ke snare. Snekuku. Sinethemba.
Yeah, no, ndiyakubona.
Yeah, wa bona kra le ngwana ba no nga tla mo le ba no snonyana.
Yeah. But I tried to move from S.
You're trying to move. So
abo S nje hayi.
Udlalela kude na.
Abantwana no. Basebenzisa amanye ama alphabet.
Awufuna ama S.
Yeah, no.
No, guys, anyake di S.
Aphelele ngoku.
Di S ari nyake.
Yes.
Di S ari awudi batle di S again.
No, I ke batle di S next.
Anyake di S.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't matter ke tsebang mara di S for now di nyake.
Next. Ke batle next.
Loud anyake di S. So Mechomi.
Yeah, man.
The love of music ngizwile ukhulume ukuthi no ego mix. But ngoshapa remix ne ngoshapa Zulu ke shapele Spitori. So already boletse ngwana moruti.
Yeah.
And then holetse go kerekeng.
Yeah.
When did you realize that you're good at singing?
I think I realized that I'm good at singing. I was doing standard 3.
You're very young.
I guess standard now, not grades.
Yeah, standard. Yeah, no. What jambiso go moholo?
Yeah, standard 3.
Yeah.
And then I think my mother, she was a worship leader.
Okay.
So, I used to go with her. Ayofundisa abantu ukucula and stuff and she was also playing piano.
Yeah.
So I was like, no, I need to learn also.
Yeah.
But she didn't have time to teach me. So wangi-organizela omnye utamkhulu ukuthi nje andifundise how to play piano.
Yeah.
And then and if I would miss classes, ngizobethwa. Ngizobethwa blind. Uyabona?
Nemo
So I had to make sure that I am like fully, because ecaweni lapha, because ngabefundisi, there was no one who plays piano.
Yeah.
So I had to push to make sure that I learn how to play piano.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's when the love started, and I grew, started, bengakwazi ukucula qala, I used to, if uyamazi uMthunzi number, I used to do those ones, I used to stand there and then the choir will stand like, glory, say glory, 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 glory.
So
Power and honor.
Mthunzi and Craig Franklin.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah, Kirk
okay,
Franklin
all
and
right.
tunes, yes.
Yeah.
I was doing those things
Okay.
until I started, pushing, because I was busy with piano most of the time.
Yeah.
And I started programming because my father bought me a very expensive keyboard, which was like a studio.
And you didn't have a choice.
Yeah, now I started programming.
Yeah.
I started learning how to do about hip hop.
Okay.
Guys who are singing hip hop, we can do a beat, man.
Yeah.
And I start to learn, I start to build up beats and stuff and everything. And then I went and studied sound engineering after grade 12.
Yeah,
Like in-house, in Joburg, sorry. And then when I finished there, it was music one way and another.
Yeah, man. So now you perform live.
Yes.
We'll come back to that.
Yes.
But you decided to record kunembukane nyanyisa yazi. Una lingshinyane nguyentena.
Ivizithile.
And like yeah. Angazi ukuthi ithuba nozozayo, but anyway it's fine.
Yeah.
I'll deal with it later.
Yeah.
So you decide ukuthi you release your own music.
Yeah.
You also released an album, a house.
Yes, I did.
If I'm not
Yes, I
mistaken.
did, yes.
When did you start releasing music wako?
I started releasing music from 2009. That's when I started
2009?
releasing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I started releasing music because remember I came to Joburg.
Yeah.
And then when I came to Joburg, I was connected with Pastor Langadube. The first studio that I've been in, I built it with him.
Okay.
And then I started doing projects on the studio. I started now I'm trying to say, let me do something. Let me do something. And I remember that time I started with gospel,
Okay.
I started doing gospel. And then after that, people were like, no, man, we need you to feature us on house music and stuff. I started now doing house music again, trying to push house music, especially soul music, because I was not like doing like...
with the soulful,
Yeah, just soulful. And then from there, I started again piano. And then but firstly, I love music, umculo wothando. So why not ukuthi ndingabuyeli khona, because I had the skill to write that music and stuff and everything, you understand? Because then that's when I started now to release. But 2009 is when I started releasing.
Now, bowuthanda ucula umculo wothando.
Yes.
Were you in love when you wrote your first song, your first Afro-pop song?
Yes, I was in love. I mean, you start writing about love, you will be in love. You'll be attracted, It's like these songs, they will attract you to these things, to say that I know. So I was in love when I started writing my first song.
So it was inspired by that particular person?
Yeah, by that particular person, But yeah, okay.
Okay, for us ukuthi sindlulele phambili. Usale teng yena motho wa ngwadisitseng pina Matombo.
No, akasekho. Hey, shine. Angisamazi, yes. But thank you. Ngiyambulela ukuthi at least I was able to write that first song. Hayi, angisamazi.
At least she played a good part.
Yeah, you understand? Unvuselele.
Yeah, she made you right.
Yeah, no, unvuselele.
So, ngizwe the way uphendula ngakhona, you're like, no, akasekho. So I'm asking myself for uhetile yena or uhetile wena, but ka mokgwa o itseng no akasekho o ka re yena o hetile wena.
No one hurt anyone that time.
How?
I think it was a matter of, when you're done with grade 12 and then this one moves this side.
Yeah.
And this one moves this side. And then that's when, everything, we started scattering and then Nini ushatile.
Oh, ushatile.
Yeah.
Esa.
Yeah.
Ushate kudala or no?
Anokudala, yo.
Oh, kudala, because bengithi if bekashada no, it was simple for her ukuthi ake invite uzuzocula live. Umshadweni wakhe.
No, yeah, no, it was long. It was long.
Yabona indoda bezonobona umfazi asola blush angazi
Yeah.
ukuthi no kune history.
Yeah.
But you know my wife really likes
Yazi.
music wale out. Kanti akazi ukuthi no.
Yeah, usuka khona.
Yeah.
Eish.
Bese ucula ingoma leya oyibhalele
Leya.
yena yokuqala umshado wakhe.
Ah.
It would be nice, man.
Yeah, ne. Icon.
So fine, you release music.
Yeah.
All of a sudden you decide to start performing live.
Yeah.
How did that come about?
The performing live,
Yeah.
it started when I was in Northern Cape.
Okay.
Because I also landed up in Northern Cape where I started, I was working at the radio station. I started doing programming and
Okay.
started doing technical stuff and went to technical to station manager.
Okay.
So, and I had a lot of time. And then, you know, people will be coming to the radio station for like interviews and stuff.
Yeah.
Some will be looking for artists, like, hey, we need an artist to perform
Yeah.
at this event. And I was like, why am I not doing it? Because, you know, I'm always at the studio.
Yeah.
Let me try now and do it live. You understand? And then I started, you know, I'll be getting events and then I'll now learn
Yeah.
how to really stand in front of people and sing and stuff and everything. So
Yeah.
yiyo into endikhulisileyo ngiqale ngolo hlobo, you know, when I was in the radio station. I think it was a pressure.
Yeah.
Because I
Maybe
knew
push a lot of
I knew
that
I'm
direction.
gonna get events anyway. So
Yes.
like, why am I not doing it? Yeah.
Fine, now you performing live kuma-gig abhaya sizobuyela kuwo ama-gig.
Yeah.
Then you start going live TikTok yangena na uyayingena.
Yes.
And one thing that I've noticed ngawe ku-TikTok ne
Yeah.
o ka re o na le matsatsi a hao a e leng hore o a beile special.
Yeah.
You're like, no, we're thinking today we focus more Afropop.
Yes.
Today we focus more Soulful House.
Yes.
Today we focus more Hallelujah.
Yes.
O tsentsha batho moyeng.
Yes. Yes.
You
yes,
know,
yes.
and I remember you are running this other competition and also on
Yeah,
TikTok.
yeah.
You
It
know,
was a gospel competition.
yeah, that competition, like what was happening there?
What was happening there? It was another guy that approached me and be like, Snake, can we do like a TikTok competition?
Yeah.
Where we gather artists and then whoever that will win like a single, and then it was 5,000. Yeah, so we started and then people started coming to the TikTok, and we asked them that please make sure that the quality is good. You understand? That we wanted to motivate let's motivate people to have good quality on TikTok.
Yes.
Because people will be like coming on TikTok and just do anything, and then people will not listen. So we asked them good quality, and then 5,000, and someone is thinking 5,000.
Yeah.
And then, you know, but we pushed it until, you know, we had the last winner where people voted also on TikTok, and then the winner got the prize and the single.
Wow, umfazi or indoda?
Indoda. Umfana
Wow.
waseDurban. Yeah, I think he's a doctor. He stays in Durban.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So he's a doctor and then he also sings.
Yes.
But for yena buku into leyo ukuthi he always wanted to record or
Yeah.
bekathatha ama-chance kuphela.
No, he always wanted to record. That's what he said, you know. But I mean, it was something for him to think, I don't have
Like
time
what?
for this.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
have time for this. But so, like, let me just do this and see
Yeah,
what's going to
yeah.
happen. And likely he won, and then he started coming, and then we did the
Because I'm thinking for yena it was going to be easy. Pela doctors make a lot of money. So
yeah.
it was going to be easy for him to just pay and then...
But I don't know what's the problem, because I do have a friend also. I mean, she's a doctor. When I met her, and then she has money, but she didn't record. But that's when she started recording and thinking, let me start now. I think the problem about the information and the knowledge about recording.
Oh,
I think that's the
abanayo.
biggest problem. Yes, because you find someone is a lawyer, and you'll ask yourself, why is this person not recording? He sings nice. That person doesn't have information about that.
Yeah.
You understand? Uyacinga yena ahleli phansi akona, yo, ngizokhupha 50,000 for ingoma eyi-1. Akayazi. There's no really knowledge of what's happening, you know. And after that, you must do a music video. It's hey, I'm on 1 million.
Yes.
You know, there's people that will go around telling people, you need 1 million at least to start doing music.
Iyo.
You know?
Cabang.
Yeah.
Yes. 1 million.
Yeah. I mean, you know, people, they all spread information that they,
Wrong.
especially now.
Yeah.
There's social media, you know, a lot of false information is being spreaded, you know.
Yeah,
so-
but bingi ba go TikTok ba ilong ba itse selo.
Yeah.
They lie to people.
Yeah.
Yes.
And someone tell you, wathenga imoto ethile, itayeri lakhona. 50,000. Now man, so sawuthenga imoto uthi, hey, 50,000
50,000.
tire, which is not true.
Yeah.
It's not true. And uba ungambuza that person uyithathaphi nayo uyivela ayive khona and then
Yeah.
uyizisa uyabona.
So Mechomi, tell me, lento yakho yomculo ufuna ukuyibona ikuphi, because obviously yes, you releasing now, you performing live. As nini you were performing at Somizi's, was it his birthday or bogu event kuphela yakhe?
Yeah, it was his event. Yeah, so what happened there, I mean, I think there were a lot of artists that were there.
Yeah.
And then we were asked to put videos and stuff. So we were chosen, I think, from 100 and something, and then it was top 30. I think Rufense was one of them.
Yes,
I
yes,
didn't
yes,
even
he was.
see him.
You didn't see him?
I didn't even see what his video is also there.
Yeah.
You understand? And then it had to drop until my top 5.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then I think we were chosen to be part of that. But it was supposed to be 3 people.
Yeah.
But then Somizi decided to say, no, let me give everyone a chance
Okay.
to be there, you know. But it was a very nice experience, you know, to be on the stage, you understand, and sing on a bigger crowd, and you know, you're sitting there with artists, you know, trying to communicate. But it's not easy, because also them, they just come and sing and go.
And go,
You
yes.
understand?
Abanye,
So,
they
but
act big, obviously.
yeah.
Abana sikhathi sakho
No, they
sokubulisana
don't have
nabo
time.
nikhulume.
No,
Yeah.
they don't have time.
Aish.
Yeah, but it was like I've learned a lot just by being there at the
yes.
backstage, you know.
Yeah.
I would, wow, okay, this is really how some other things are happening. Yes, I've been in a lot of big events, but there's always something special about every event.
Yes. Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Aaron, Mechomi, and you performing live, you also sing at church.
Yes.
Or ulegile sonto.
No, ngeke ngiyeke. That one, I know, I can't.
No, phela una choice, umntwana
No, I
umfundisi.
can't. That one I can't.
Umntwana umfundisa, ngibulala damani.
I have to. Though I know, you know, a lot of Sundays, I cannot really be in church because of the events. You know,
Yes.
some events are a Sunday morning,
Yeah.
imitshato, indoni, so I can't go to church. But as soon as I get a chance to I make sure I go to church. Yeah.
But now, umntwana umfundisi, and then you're growing, and now you're doing gospel. Jigi nangu uwe manje so shaye house. Bathi basabheka ihouse awo. So shaye zomjolo.
Yeah.
And umntwana umfundisi.
Yeah.
Bathina abazali leso sikhathi.
You know, my parents saw me when I was growing up. That's why I tell you, when my father bought me the keyboard, and then I started recording. So I would bring these hip hop guys, you know, they smoke, they drink. But now my parents started learning, because now we're being about fundis lava serious. They started learning with, no, there's people are different.
Yes.
And accept people as they
As
are.
they are.
Look at, because I was not doing all those things.
But
I
when
would, yeah, I would like.
No,
sit with
don't say you were not doing those things. You are still not doing those things.
Yes,
Because
even now.
Because awuphuzi.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Tata
I don't
akaphuzi.
smoke.
Namazi. Nanoma kufanele simbize
And
kuphi
everyone
yena ufuna
was
ijuice
surprised.
or amanzi akaphuzi.
Yeah, but nini right I am. Yeah,
rider.
yona.
Yeah, no rider yatso. Akiri bena ngopolo tlale bend phela. So
Yeah.
that rider, please.
Yes. So I mean, that's how they saw what I learned to be independent and make my own choices about my own life. But I'm not gonna choose, you know, and say I'm not gonna work with Spoo because Spoo we are seller, because Namzo seller. You know, I don't believe in that. You know, I was not raised like that. You understand? So
Awuna peer pressure.
abazali bami, they saw ukuthi this lo mfana lo simkhulisile ukhona ukuzimela.
Yes.
So why would we stop him from, you know, going to a club? Because we know, like my mother is there in the house now. I think it's about 3 weeks. I've been going to gigs. And I come back like
Late, yeah.
But she knows I'm gonna come back sober. You know, she knows good die.
And you're gonna come back alone.
Alone, you understand?
Yeah,
So I mean,
fast.
you know, so it was there. They saw what I'm disciplined, you know, and I have like self-discipline or something. Yes, I disciplined myself. You know, before I started going to clubs, I had to sit with Snare and say, Snare, you're gonna meet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to write them down and say, Stretch, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. And I have to stick to that. And I did that, you know. That's how I was able to ukuthi nabazali bami ndibawine. Ukuthi ngiyenze different music. And I was not really worried about other people because, you know, abantu banento zabo. Everyone has their own thing. So the people that I was so much worried about. It was my
Abazali,
parents.
yes.
Bazothina abantu besonto. Xa ngicula Afropop and going to
Afropop,
clubs
yeah.
and stuff and everything. But luckily, you know, and people who are more involved in my life is pastors, and they know I sing Afropop. They invite me into their churches. You know, I remember last week on Mother's Day, I was in Dutch. I was invited by another bishop.
Yeah.
And when I get there, I thought I'm going to sing gospel. I sing 2 songs of gospel, and then he went on stage like, no. I invite you for Mother's Day. Sing Afropop, R&B,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
And people started dancing, you know, it was just fun and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Because at the end of the day, I mean, when someone gets married, whether umzalwane or kimsione,
Yeah.
aga sinyale o ka sera ele msione he ba etsa ba tshwarane mo la banyala le motho ha ba sena ba pesa di ring a betha step ka hampo yeah bam zalwana no
Yeah, yeah.
because when you get home ahona hallelujah hosana, yes, there's time to pray endlini for abafundisi futhi, you know, there's time to pray, but kuba nesikhathi se family, you know, ekamreni phela awuno ukarapela fela before le
Yeah.
you can pray and then that's it. Mara heli fihlile kwale
Yeah.
total different story.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
And hona le
Wenza inkonzo ke.
yeah uyayibona
Awusayithetha inkonzo uyenza inkonzo.
uyenza inkonzo
Yeah.
yala emhlabeni,
Wenza
and then
inkonzo.
yeah and manje kuba nana amanye ama language aphumayo
Yeah.
unnecessary,
Yeah.
and then amanye aphuma uyosola emuva kusasa uthi
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu wami ngicela ungixolele ukuthi ngithe lesikhathi khuleka lapha,
Yeah.
because you say things la.
Yeah, it's true.
What?
It's
So
true.
I think it's high time, especially about Christ, to understand this thing. We might be Christians
Yeah.
and fully committed,
Yeah.
esontweni, and fully committed to God.
Yeah.
But gune songs in the Bible.
Yes.
Songs doesn't talk about God. It talks about love.
Yes.
You know ukuthi umuntu wakho ukhuluma naye kanjani, amazwi amnandi othando, you understand?
yes.
And for you to be here emhlabeni, mina nawe ukuthi sibe la sikhulume,
Yeah.
kufanele kube nethoba la.
Injalo.
You understand?
Kubekho inhlangano.
Kube
And
nomjuluko.
sometimes yenziwe ingoma nayo.
Yeah,
Abantu
ingoma,
bahlanganise
you
ingoma.
understand?
Yeah.
Who can say?
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
Yeah. You had to choose that one.
No, angithi manje.
Out of all the songs.
Angithi manje. Hey. Umuntu wakho umkhumbulile. Yeah, usemsebenzini.
Utsala uthatha le serious.
Yeah, uthi baby, I miss you.
Yeah,
I miss you too. Uthi who can sex?
Yeah. But it's just the belief, you know, even when I grew up, you know, I remember there's guys that I know because Nandikule Kawen,
Yeah.
they were in the church, you know. You know, they would wear suit, umuntu afuna ubonakala ukuthi yena usinsile,
Yeah.
you know, and stuff and everything. And so umuntu wesuit. I've always been that person that anyone can talk to.
Yes.
I told myself, in this journey of being a Christian, I'm going to work my own journey. I'm not going to be anyone. My parents started, you know, they tried. I was like, no, I walk like this.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you not wearing a suit when on Sundays you wear a sneaker?
Yeah,
and
namajini,
nicho.
Yeah.
Because andiyangala andiswanga ijini ize ngenhliziyo yami.
Yes.
And you find ukuthi not to talk bad about those guys, but you find the same guys, they're the ones that will be now backsliding and doing all these things because they don't know these things. You understand? Abantu, because now the fear of people is that me and you can go to clubs,
Yes.
enjoy, dance and what. Go and take umzalwane lo serious lapha esontweni umse clubbing. You will see now the truth. Ukuthi why he's always preaching for people to say, no, don't go there.
You keep on true colors.
Yes. Ayaphuma manje. Ayaphuma manje.
Uyothola dakwe blind.
Angithi ujwayele ukubona sisi abanxiba iziketi ezingaka?
So uyobona
Ubona abanxiba ezingaka?
ezingaka manje. Yeah.
What's happening now? First time.
Yeah.
First time now it's a problem. Now it starts with, that's why you find a lot of people get attacks because they are not used to certain things. You understand?
Yes.
Umuntu uzothi uyenza one-on-one or whatever. Umsisi afike ethe
Akhiphe.
cleave. Athe short. Akazange wayibona le.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen to him?
Eish, athi sisivala amehlo.
Yeah.
Musi savala amehlo uwavulile. Uyeza ukuthi ninamathangs lawa akusiyiwo lawa. Rawatswara.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukubamba lapha.
Yeah.
Nabo sister lelona man. Eish, But anyway, Metro Miss, sakhuluma ngabo sister and then sikhuluma ngenkonzo.
Yeah.
Wena manje ngoba uyacula la uculela bosisi lapha ku TikTok ungenisa bosisi emoyeni bashicula bo hallelujah ema eventini uthola bo mama beza bonke lapha stage.
Yeah.
So when are you taken or are you singing or are you still looking or you're not sure what's happening? No.
No. I am taken, and I mean, people listen to me when I sing because I know when you say these kind of things, these ladies, when you go to events, they be like, kulela umuntu wakho. We're not gonna listen to you. I am.
Oh, you're taken.
Yeah, no, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, sure.
Sure, go to write it.
I'm telling you, I'm good.
I'm
good. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, no, I'm sure.
100%
100% sure.
uNkulunkulu uyiconfirmile la ide.
uNkulunkulu uthe correct.
Okay.
Uthe correct.
No, I just wanted to be sure, yabona. I wanted to be sure.
Yeah.
Ukuthi vele ukhethe right na.
No, I did. I did.
Yeah, no, ngiyabona nalo smile uma ukhuluma ukuthi no.
Yeah, no, yabona ngiyasmile xa, yabona.
Uma umcinga nje.
Ubona uqala ubashushu ngoku la. Kuthe ngikhona uqala ushisa ngoku ngiyashisa.
Yeah, indaba le phela indaba le yashisa.
Yeah. No.
So now Mechomi, like now you're continuing doing music, uyapusha. What is the plan for you? Are you gonna continue releasing because you released an album, Afropop, right? Are you gonna continue releasing album or you're gonna focus more on performing live pela or?
Yeah, my plan is to give people still my music.
Yeah.
In the midst of me doing covers, you know. But I think I will be releasing the music as singles.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just drop a single, you know, until I'm in the position of really sing Guti.
Yes.
I can release the whole album.
Yeah.
Because I do have songs. I always like record songs. Like now, I was thinking of releasing an EP and I said no.
Yeah.
Because of performances, because I'm busy, I'm always on gigs and stuff. So
yeah.
I was like, let me hold on. And then let me continue with the covers because they are drawing people closer to you to say, who's this guy who was singing that song? And then they start going on YouTube and other digital platforms. They see now, man, this person on album
yeah.
You understand? So that is what I'm looking at. I'm still gonna give people good music. I do have, you know, very nice songs, you know, that you know, yeah. Just like you, I'm gonna drop single. You doing that?
Yeah, no, I
think I've learned from you. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, I want to find out ukuthi wena what motivates you because khona abanye abantu utsama ko molong and then obona Joko betana le Pitrosi.
Yeah.
Batswarane ba smailelana ba ntse ba sunana mola e mo motivator ngwale pina.
Yeah.
O mong o bona Cynthia ona le Abraham mola ba khwakhwana ba lwa mola ba bona ngwale pina ngisakufuni phuma kimi.
Yeah.
Wayibona? So but what motivates you is different. Wena what motivates you?
Now first, you know, what I can say, what motivates me is, you know, I mean, God first.
Yes.
With everything.
Yeah.
You know, but, you know, I have female friends, you know.
I know. Yes,
you know,
I know.
I have female friends.
I
you
know.
You know, people be like, I have a lot of female friends. And I always learn something from them, you know.
Yes.
Their experiences, you know, you sit with them, you know, they say all these things, and then you listen to them. Now you get to get the real story. Sometimes, you know, sometimes yes, I do know most of bona ngazi ama boyfriend and stuff and everything. So you get to see how other people are doing things and are dealing with things, and then I sit down.
Yeah,
I won't mention their names, but they won't even know that this song came from them.
Yes.
Isuka kubo.
Kanti isuka kubo vele.
Isuka kubo, you understand? And also, you know, trying to you know, even if, let's say, uhlala P, but come to the location and see how people are living, see how are things, you know? And then you'll get the real stories. Because I don't like when I write my music. Because if you listen to my songs, it's always, this isn't this serious way people will be like, how did you even think about writing this? You understand? Because of you learn from other, and some from my things also, you understand? From, my relationship and stuff, and sit down and be like, okay, let me do a song. you know?
Yeah.
Though, partners, they don't like when you write songs too much about things that happened there. You understand? I remember back in the years, I wrote a song that says, I sing Mntanamlo, and it was few
months
after my,
umuntu akathola umntwana.
and I wrote it long time.
And we keep a manje. Mara
Why would I sing Mntanamlo when yazi ngoma yakho music asimntanamlo ngoba mama khambelala abuya athi ngowami asingowami.
Okay, I love the song. The song is nice, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, it's for direction wait.
Yeah.
Mara nanong the timing. Jo motho ha o fetso kry ngwana no. And a re ke ngwana hao.
Yeah.
And then when I release a penis alone ngwala khala e rakse umntanami.
Yeah.
Azanga udamba.
No, because she was a musician, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So she understood.
She was a little bit, wanted to understand. She wanted bigger pants. Tell me about this song. What's happening with this song? What's happening with this song? Why are you releasing such song? You understand? She's like, no, don't worry, man. It's not about you. You understand? It's a song that I did long time. You understand? But if that's like Ibi Nyani, I would have, sit down like and tell you what man. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Let's go into a DNA. But I know Mntanam.
Abazali zange babe worried mara bayizwa le ngoma and then babona umntwana ambambe sombheka athi mara no mara nami ungathi ngikoshola le ndlebe le
No.
le mpumulo
No,
why la umhlophe kakhulu la umama wakhe noba bakhe badaka.
You straight.
We're straight la.
You straight.
Usho uskiphile la.
Yeah, that's how I write music, most of the
Yeah.
if you can check even from a new album,
Yeah.
kunabo kudala ndibheja,
Oh, yes, yeah.
kudala ndibheja, kunabo uyazithanda izinto, those kind of things. And if you have a partner that doesn't understand all these things of music, uzobuza kanti uyabheja kanti wena. Uyithatha phi le ndaba yokubheja? But
Yeah.
you've seen it ukuthi hey,
Yeah.
kuyakhitshwa la ngaphandle. You understand? Yeah, imali izophela.
Eish. Yeah, no, hayi siyabonga sisi mara akasekho none.
Akasekho hayi. No.
Why you got a problem in the relationship?
No. I've never been in so many relationships, ne?
Yeah.
Because I always have umntu wami. Ngifuna uba nomntu wami.
Okay,
I
yeah.
don't like to find myself, being in a space where anzazi. You understand?
Yeah, ungapha
Ukuthi,
nangapha wazi ukuthi move
no,
uya phambili, yes.
But now if I get into a relationship and it's not working, as long as it's not my fault, but I will make means to make sure it works, but I won't force it to work. You understand? So if I can see this is not working, then I'll move back. I don't have a choice. Maybe I'm not meant to be there. So why am I still there? You understand? Because I don't want to get to positions where you find yourself so shine fast.
Oh, yes.
You understand? Being an abusive boyfriend and stuff. And especially now, career has always been that thing that I say, I don't want a bad name for myself.
Yeah, for your brand, yes.
You understand? For my brand, where someone is going to stand there and say, hey, usne,
ungenze 1 2 3 4.
wangishaya, wangithini. Rather, I ngiphume, bese kuyakhulunywa ke social media ukuthi hey usne umyekile noma ukuthi mina I know the truth.
I know the truth, yes.
And then it's done. And then no. I've never been in so many relationships now.
But have you ever been hurt? Like
blind. Blind. Like yazini. Ayolala ICU ngaphefumula ngopipe ndoda. Hey, ngakutshela nje. Ngasizwa ukuthi yazini ngangisenayo imali yokubhatala udoctor, otherwise angina medical that time. And yena une medical akangifakanga. Yazini. Shame. And it's the time where I did the house album, ne?
Yeah.
Uma ungabheka lapha ki house album yami, kunabo fake love. There's a lot of broken hard songs. I would sit in the studio and I would like, no, there's nothing like love. What is this fake love we have? When we were with people used. Joe. But it's so nice when you're a musician, and you can, because I learned that the music has power,
Yeah.
music can heal you, bro. Like I would like sing these songs, and people loved them.
Yeah,
But
and you
not
feel better after
because
that.
they don't know, like, I'm singing straight from the heart, from a broken heart. I'm not just singing the song, I'm singing from a broken heart.
Eish, bakwenze.
Bangilimaza bafa. Hayi bangilimaza.
Bakwenzeni?
Hayi bangilimaza bafa. Hayi ngeke. Hayi angeke. Hayi. Le ndaba le. Hayi ziyabuya man. Ziyabuya but hayi yazi. uNkulunkulu umkhulu yena. Ukwenza zonke lezi.
I was telling friends the other day, I was like, musicians, baphila bahetiwe.
Hey, bazokhetha like that's why ngisho ngishaya yabona. I see you.
I see you.
Ngabona ukuthi yazini la. Ndoda.
You almost died.
Sekumele kuthiwa yini? Bayongikhansila.
Sir.
Kuthi ngibe right, ngibuyele esimini.
You didn't lose weight.
I lost. I lost. Because
You were not eating also.
I was not eating, I was singing. I was just singing. I was not getting hungry.
Yeah.
Have you ever sang and you been the student, I didn't eat. You think at 12 o'clock at night?
At night, yeah.
I didn't eat. By the time you're thinking I didn't eat, you start looking in your phone, you see, abang respondi, bang blutikile, we are stressed, we are lala again. Look, since we ushaya bo hi, how are you? Hey, nguwe nje ubhali
baby.
Ku blue, but no answer, no white. That's it. Any happy problem?
Yeah.
While you are busy going through that, there's other people who are like, ngiyangithanda, and you're like,
wena ubhekela.
Ngifuna lemo.
And bayakhetha nga.
Sebazokhala bathi, wena udlisiwe, wena udlisiwe yikho indawo yakho. Yazini.
Uyangijulukisa.
Yeah.
But we thank God ukuthi you found love and you are happy and abakhethi.
No, nothing.
Ungathi loya ngabona ukuthi no.
Perfect.
You are happy now.
Yeah, no. Angifuni ukuthi abone. Angifuni ukuthi abone. Next.
No. No. So, Weshobi,
yeah.
Obviously, you said abantu banga expect ama-single for now.
Yeah.
And let's talk about South Africa. Ubani ongathi ofisa ukusebenza naye in the near future?
Like South Africa.
Yeah.
It's maybe Ringo, I can say. The legend.
Only him.
I think also. Askis, man.
I'm leaving you for 2 seconds.
Who else? Vusnova.
Okay, Vusnova.
And also, there's this new guy, man, that I love. But, because I won't stop singing gospel also. That's the problem.
What new guy? You mean the one with Afro?
Once More 6, yeah. Once More 6. I love the guy,
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're low.
Yeah. Okay. Akunamfazi.
No, I don't want to work with, I don't want anything.
You have so many female friends, but you don't want to work with women.
Yeah, because I did in the future, and I saw what,
okay.
I don't want
you once worked with.
Yeah, featuring them in the songs, and stuff. When you're supposed to go and perform, umuntu akakavumi. So I can't go through that thing. I don't want to feature anyone or ngumfazi engomeni zami. Because manje uzobe so stuck stage man. Sekumele ngoku le ndawo yakhe umfazi idlale uwedwa stage indoda ayivumanga ukuthi The only time I work with women is when they come to back. They go.
Uza as a backing
I
vocalist
have no business. I pay them.
Mm-hmm.
We have no other business again.
Yeah, no.
No, not me featuring, sitting there and say, let's do a song. I know.
So kahle for you abafazi ba right uma kuwabangani kuphela.
No, it's good.
I-relationship nokusebenza nabo ayispani ayihlangani yabhala.
No. I don't want that. I even, ngike ngazama ukurekhoda, futhi ngisiza. Yabo ngithi hayi ithi ngiba record enyana ubona umuntu une voice mara record enyana. I'm telling you, by the time the album is just released and stuff, umuntu sekahamba khuluma ngawo uthi lo gqoka kahle because imali yami ehlele esidla udla imali yami ugqoka into uphethe into ethile imali yami yonke into yazi ubuphila before yena. Now you start having problems. That's why even
and leso sikhathi bowuthuzama yena futhi
bewuthuzama yena
umnikeza i-platform.
The last one, just to share, the last one, I helped someone who came from, I was in Northern Cape that time. She was a pastor.
Okay.
So I decided to say, because my partner that I had that time, she passed away because of cancer.
Oh, okay.
She had cancer, but it was all over the body. But she was an artist, a well-known artist that side.
Yeah.
So she was busy with an album. So she left it, and I was like, Chance, let me take this pastor.
Okay.
To do the leadings. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give her 50. I'm going to do the CDs. It was CDs that time. I did everything. When she came into the house, I was not alone. I was staying with somebody. I left my own room, bruh.
Yeah.
Slept with that guy, with the other guy that I was staying with.
So
that abe sharp. Because I need to, abo pastor, respect. Understand? So after that, when we finished recording and stuff, I did CDs and stuff. He said, "No, I'm called Western Cape to come and to go and sing." And I was like, "Okay, no, take the CDs, and then you just wanna, give me my own." You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
Bruh.
Umfundisi.
Gone.
Umfundisi.
Aywan.
Muruti LN gone.
Mina ngizobona makuna Eastern Cape Awards.
Yeah.
The guy that was doing the awards is calling me. Hey man, there's a lady here. I saw your name that you are the one that produced the whole album.
Yeah.
But nothing is being said about you. And I'm asking, who's that?
Umfundisi ubani?
Umfundisi ubani? And I was like,
besizokubiza ngegama manje asifuna
I know, sifuna expose.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I called her. What's happening? You left here, see right? And what? But the thing that was, and people were asking me on Facebook also. So I had to respond with it. No, man, I don't have comments about what happened. You understand? Because now when she left here, she was fine. She was okay. You know what she did? She went on her Facebook. She wrote, producers are sleeping with people when they go to recordings. I'm going to start a campaign of producers sleeping with women when they come to record and stuff and everything. She called me and said, I can make this worse. I can make this thing worse. Bruh, I had to leave the CDs and the whole thing and say, and people were commenting. Njani jombe ngahlali ngiyi-one. Uyazi ukuthi ngisuke nase
so kahle bekafuna ukuthi wena ufike la wena awufikanga manje ukhuluma kabi.
And uthathe the whole thing. My brother, I never got a cent from that thing. And because I used to help, my mother said that time, I think this is the time where you stop, this recording of, abafazi and stuff and focus more on yourself. You see, this lady could have just wrote something that is not true there and you come and be arrested and stuff and everything.
Yeah.
I took a decision to say, you know what? No. Sneh, you like to help and stuff, but no. Done. Bakings, because Bakings, they don't even come alone. They come with other guys.
Yeah.
They record.
Bayahamba.
Ishayi.
Mfundisi. How? Uko Eastern Cape?
Hayi, khona kodwa le emhlabeni.
Khona ne around.
Hayi.
Hey, Mudim. Kopelo dilele.
Yeah.
No, but at least you learned, even if you learned the hard way, but at least you learned and ikusizile ukuthi uvuleka amehlo ukuthi ezinye izinto uphume kizo.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
So now when unomuntu obviously now and then you're also focusing on music and you're getting married soon.
Yeah, no, I'm going to get married soon.
Okay.
That's
Hey,
my-
let that be
that's my
serious,
plan now.
Amos.
Yeah, no, it's very serious. Like I'm getting married. I was married, I was married, and I got divorced. But long time, eh?
Sure.
I got married when I was young.
Sure.
Ngiphume entweni jo.
Hey, when would you go anyway?
Ngizibonile izinto jo. Kuba ngathi ubalisa story, umntu siyawazi ama-musician azothi bengilamba bengihlala esitratweni bengithe.
Wena bowushadile.
Bengishadile jo, like
Bakushadulula.
white wedding,
What?
traditional wedding.
Yo!
Konke nje.
White wedding, traditional wedding, the whole shebang.
I'm telling you.
Wena, and then bawunyalula.
Yeah. Awukushaya ngevasi lapha emanje. Yeah.
I am sorry, I'm not laughing at you.
So, but the important thing that I've learned, even that time,
Yeah.
I think it's because of the music. I never lost
Yeah.
the value of love, because remember, ndikhuliswa ngabazali ababini abathandanayo.
Yes.
My father passed away last year.
Oh yeah, I saw you posted last year.
Yeah, because of indaba zelento ke zinto zakho ze-vaccine.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
So I've seen love. Ngilibonile uthando. I saw into engiyibukele TV or whatever.
Yeah, we born
I saw it from my parents, you understand? Bethandana until I don't know how many years, but 30, 40 years.
Yeah.
Ngikhona nibukele. So now there is no way someone could convince me
Otherwise
about
Yeah.
love. You understand? Yes, I might have a failure, but I have to stand up again and try.
Yeah.
I cannot sit down there and say, I know. Because now, it was like for me, whenever I do get hurt, I mean, sorry, it's what like the devil is saying, Sneh, you can sing. These women, why you not touching my one and I refused to do that. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna be hurting abantwana babantu because of one person.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
So I would always take my own time to relax and heal, so that I don't hurt. That's why I ngizithandela ukuba nomuntu wami.
Yeah.
I don't peak. You understand? So yeah, those are the things ukuthi they help me also to ukuthi ngikhule. You understand?
Yeah.
To understand ukuthi, you know what, when you are in a certain position, you will not be there for the whole ubomi bakho bonke. It's a season and it's a phase that will pass.
Yes. Yeah.
You understand? And let it happen. You understand? Like losing a parent, it's not, always see people losing parents and will be like, hey, ukhalelani? Because besemdala maybe. But now when I lost my father, that's when I realized no. Ndiyabona ukuthi why. You understand? So sometimes we pass through these things so that we can really understand. And tomorrow you're able to talk to another person and say, I understand this. I was
I know
once
how
there.
it feels. Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, but I mean, another thing that I always say is that remember that we are not robots.
Yes.
Those people are not programmed. Hey, listen to
Ngalesi
Sbu.
khathi ufanele ube
Listen
ready.
to Sbu. Don't ever break up with Sbu. They have a choice, these people.
Yeah.
And that choice, it can always change. And when it changes, there's nothing you're going to do.
Ash. So, I think we have three things here, ne?
Yeah.
Bukhona, not even three, but I'll just mention few.
Yeah.
Khona abanye, they come to your life to teach you a lesson.
Yes.
Khona abantu abaza empilweni yakho for a season ethize.
Yes.
Then khona abantu abaza empilweni yakho for a lifetime.
True.
Ayibona?
True.
So, I think labo abandlulile, they were preparing you
Yes.
for a relationship proper onayo manje.
Yes. Yes.
Because you learn a lot ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi okay, so umfazi ukwazi ukuthi ayenze so.
Yeah.
Oh, lo muntu ukwazi ukuthi ayenze so. So angifuni le nto le iyenzakale phambili
Yes.
a relationship enye yami engiyitholayo. But for you ukuthi ufike estage sokuthi uthi no manje ngiyashada, akusho ukuthi no i lifetime.
No. I saw ukuthi uNkulunkulu
ukunikile.
Bathi Jesu ufike ekuseni.
Bathi baqedile.
Ngimbonile efike ekuseni.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wafika ekuseni abantu sebathi baqedile wathi.
Yeah, thatha me.
What?
Okwakho lokho.
Aha.
Hey. I know, hey, batho ba happy.
Yeah.
Hey, batho ba happy.
Hey.
So lwena le lo ba o hetile ha 100 or ba o hetile ha 200 or ha 1000 ngwana go hae a se bofelo ba lefatshe, you still alive.
Yeah.
O ka kry-a motho o mong hape o e leng gore o ka ratana le ena a o rata for the rest of your life.
True.
Ba tlo o heada.
Yeah.
Batho ba tlo o heada, ba o tshwara, ba o etsa ball, ba o etsa tennis, ba o etsa golf, ba o etsa everything.
Yeah.
Mara o ska give up ashe.
Yeah.
A ke re tsama o ntse o nyaka o ntse o dumbela a ena. Ke ra gore mara
Wait.
o nne fatshe o te kry-e and then o thome hape ko fatshe.
Yeah.
Go lose a mmereko wa tsamaya o nyaka mmereko mong hape. It's not like mmereko lo fedile then you give up, you're like no mmereko fedile a o sana o re nka kry-a mmereko mong.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Yeah. And also,
Yeah.
one of the things that I told myself,
Yeah.
you know, since I'm able to sing for all these women, I need to make a special performance and day for my yabon.
Oh yes.
Afumane yakhe performance.
Mara manje angeke kusaba i-surprise ngoba uyoyibona i-podcast.
Is you? I sorry. Yazin. Okay. Right.
But no, amnika ama-details zonke.
No, not all the
Glimpse
details. Yeah,
kuphela.
but I'm thinking,
You're thinking of it, angithi?
No, I'm gonna
Yeah,
do
no,
that.
he's thinking of it.
A year cannot be finished ukuthi ngakhange
Ungakayenzi.
ngenzele yakhe show.
No, do that
Ngenzele
much.
yakhe show.
Yeah. And abantu maybe bafuna ukukubhuka, abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi usine uperforma kuphi nini, bakuthola kuphi ku-social media.
Yeah, you can check me on Facebook. I'm Snare Ngcalu.
Okay.
SNARE.
Yeah.
My surname is NCALU. And then also on Instagram, Snare Ngcalu. And then on TikTok, that's where you find me, Snare Music.
Okay.
Because my Snare Ngcalu account was hacked. You understand?
Bayahack
Yeah,
alabantu.
it was hacked, and then the guy wanted me to pay 5,000 to get it
Ukujwayela
back.
kabi.
Ngathi hayi, thathe
It's
bafu.
hard.
Hamba nayo bafu, ayinamsebenzi ngizophinda ngenze enye. So it's Snare Music, and also like the booking contact number. I can say it also. Ne?
Yeah, you can say
It's
it.
069-786-5217. You'll get a person there that will give you all the details in terms of.
Bambe khona lapho. You'll get a person who will give you all the details.
Yes.
Forget. Uma ukuthi ngaze ngazithola nama-number. Dala ngifuna ama-number wakhe. Ungatholile uhambe kabi. You'll
Yeah,
get a
a person.
who will give you all the details.
Yes.
Zama-bookings ukuthi charge malini, kufuneka ini, nani.
Yeah.
Hambe kabi. Yeah.
Yeah. No, and also on YouTube.
Yes.
Please, guys, subscribe on YouTube. I have a lot of videos, music videos I did, live sessions, different stuff unje that you can always enjoy. Sit like house music, mix like where I sing the whole set.
Yeah.
So you can just check for Snare Music also on YouTube. Yeah,
Okay.
That's where you get me.
All right, no, Major May, thank you so much for coming. But before I let you go, your last words to the viewers. What can you say to them?
To the viewers, what I would love to say is that there's one thing that Sbu just said right now, Guti, guys. There's only one thing that we have to learn in life, Guti. If you fall today, it is not the end. Tomorrow you can still wake up. Because if you can wake up tomorrow, which means uNkulunkulu ukunikeza a chance to do what? To do something. Uthi uNkulunkulu kuwe xa ikuvusa ngengomso uthi do it again. If you don't want to do it again, start another one. So don't be afraid and ukholisa abantu. People will never be satisfied.
Yes.
So what you need to do is to believe in yourself, is to trust yourself and make sure, there's something that you just said when I came here and you said, do not wait for anyone to come and rescue you. Do it yourself.
Yes.
It's not going to be easy, It's not going to be easy. I've done music. I don't know ngina ngapi, I just said, but I'm still doing it today. Because there was someone even today who said to me, I want to start a business. That if you do not love what you want to do, don't do it.
Don't do it, yes.
If you're doing it for money, you're going to be
do
very
it.
disappointed. At least you have love for what you do.
Yeah.
That will make you, no, I'm doing it. I'm pushing. I'm not going to stop. So what I can encourage everyone is that, guys, don't give up on yourself. On your own self, don't give up. It doesn't matter. It's a relationship. It's a business. Emsebenzini bakuxoshile. Bakuhethile.
So,
yazini uke wabotshwa. Like as long as usaphila.
yeah.
Don't give up on your own self. Look at yourself in the mirror and motivate your own self and tell yourself that I am going to make it. It doesn't matter if it's 15 years from now.
Yes.
Or it's 20 years or it's 5 years. And also, please make sure that you go and check my music, guys.
Yes.
And
Okay.
make sure don't miss that part. You follow me on social media, book me. I promise you, you won't regret. No one has ever regretted.
Yes.
And it's not nice. Whenever I sit, when I finish all these events, it's not easy, me, bro. You get to this audience and you're like, hey, I'm not a celebrity, I'm not. And you're thinking, hey, bazo jive, bazo vakamnandi. And you get there because you are confident and you know
what
people
you're
can
doing,
see
yes.
what this person knows what he's going to do here, and you are booked. You understand? You need to deliver.
Yeah.
So you deliver.
Mm-hmm.
Because you do what? You rehearse.
Yes.
You
And you
understand?
love what you're doing.
You love what you're doing.
And you're good at it.
And you're good at it. So, guys, trust me, you will never have any regrets when you book me to come and sing emshatweni, epatini, anything, even in a divorce party.
Yes.
Anything, guys. Even if when you want to propose to your partner, call me. I'll do it. I'll just, give you an invoice. Invoice lapha kuleya number. And then siyazi. But ngaphezu kwako konke, I just want to say thank you so much also for inviting me, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I think it's my second podcast. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
And I really appreciate. I even forgot the first one because I think it was on radio, man. This was not a podcast. We were just in radio.
Oh, okay.
And then this one is the first one, yeah. So I'm so grateful, my bro. Like, when you send me a message, and I was like, no, I'm so humbled that, I remember this was my MC for my birthday. When was my birthday?
When was it? I think it was, is it 2 or 3 years back?
3 years back.
I think 3 years back.
Yeah,
3 years back.
Yeah, he was my MC. It was nice. We really enjoyed. From that time, we never, separated. We are always like together, and I really appreciate me, bro. And to the whole team also that is inside in the house, I really appreciate for calling me to come. Yeah, I'm really humbled. I really appreciate.
No, thank you for honoring the invitation, Muganam. Thank you for honoring the invitation. Continue doing what you're doing. May God bless you. May He open more bigger doors for you. Keep on shining. You are good at what you do. You make people happy out there, and continue doing that, Metro.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Guys, Scamto Podcast. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, Hokawa, Emela Ote Daste, Otswellepele. As long as Moya Osalemoname, there's still hope for your life. Don't ever give up. Don't allow anyone to tell you otherwise. And you only live once. Make the most out of it. Scamto Podcast, thank you so much for watching. Remember, we listen to Sly J next multimedia. I'll go back and happen next time. Oh yeah?